rhythms and sounds. Exercise 1. Chant and point. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes.
Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Knees and toes. Now leave out knees. Head, shoulders, and toes. And toes. Head, shoulders, and toes. And toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, and toes. And toes.
Exercise 2. Listen, point, and pronounce.
1. Head.
Head. Head.
2. Shoulders.
Shoulders. Shoulders.
3. Knees.
Knees. Knees.
4. Toes.
Toes. Toes.
5. Eyes.
Eyes. Eyes.
6. Ears.
Ears. Ears.
7. Mouth.
Mouth. Mouth.
8. Nose.
Fun time. Exercise 3. The teacher says. Touch what the teacher says.
Are you ready? Let's start. The teacher says, touch your nose. The teacher says, touch your ear. The teacher says, touch your head. The teacher says, touch your eye. Touch your mouth. Uh-oh. Okay, good. Let's play for real.
Hi, how are you? Are you ready for Goal 11? Good. Let's start. I can chant the head, shoulders, knees, and toes chant. Exercise 1. Listen and chant.
Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Knees and toes.
Good job. Now trace the words. Then do exercise 2. Trace and write. Are you ready for Goal 12? Good. Let's start. I can tell a friend to touch 2 body parts. Exercise 1. Listen and practice. Do the actions.
Touch your head. Touch your nose. Touch your mouth. Touch your shoulders. Touch your knees. Touch your toes.
Touch your head.
Great! You did it! Now trace the light gray words. Then do exercise 2. Trace and write. You've finished Goal 12. Well done. Remember to practice. Tell a friend to touch 2 body parts 3 times this week. Bye.